Pie. Nintendo felt a question enter his mind. Who has lost their tail? Nintendo took out George's diary and read these words aloud. That which was left behind by the ship that sails the cosmos. Okay. But Vin isn't feeling very well. All of us know you're not from here, but we consider you one of us just the same. With the Onyx hook, you can come back here anytime. Don't hesitate to come visit us again whenever you're having hard time. Everyone here loves you, Nintendo. Welcome, Nintendo. Here in Magicant, everyone is your friend. You can have as much as you want. You can have as much as you like, or whatever you want. Oh, you want to hear my song? I'm sorry, I don't know why, but I just can't sing. I beg you to learn it and sing it with me. Sing it to me. If I could only sing it again, something important would happen, I'm sure of it. Okay, so
Heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears.